Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar NEFFEX. NEFFEX is back here, of course. We cannot forget about him. So this one is called Rush. This is a 4-chord song. We'll look at some melodies here if you want to. Otherwise, you can just play the strumming and be set with that. So let's take a look at this nice Rush. So no need for any chords here. Let's go over the capo, of course, but we need chords. So let's go over the chords without any capo. All right, so starting here with A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We'll use the next chord, the F major 7 version of it, the shorter F, because we want to be have the ability to play some notes to that later. So F will be like this: third D, second G, first B, and open E. All right. Next chord will be D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the final chord is E. That is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. All right, so first we're gonna go over the notes here that makes the melody. So for each and every chord, I'm gonna go through the notes now, starting with the A minor. It sounds like this. So that will be on the G string, 3 times on the 2nd fret G string. Sorry. Then open B and first B. Then we go over to the next chord, the F, and it sounds like this. So that is 3 times on the 3rd fret D string. And open B and first B. And then D minor is 3 times on the open D string. Then open B and first B. And for the E chord, it is 2 times on the 2nd fret D string. Then you play on the B string, you play 3rd fret B string, and then 1st fret B string, and then you do that again, 3rd B and 1st B. That's it. So one round goes. Okay, so that's the melody, and now the plain strumming. It will be separated into 2 different parts. So A minor and F, they together build up 1 full string around, and then D minor and E. So let's look at the transition here from A minor to F. So A minor, part 1 will be down, 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 up, down. And then comes the F, down, 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 up, down again, but in a different rhythm. And then you go D minor, and then E, down, up, down. So the way of playing here is actually not different. It's down, 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 up, down. But the rhythm is a bit different here depending on what chord you're playing, because it goes. So you have a much shorter pause between the part 1 and the start of the next round of the strumming, if you understand what I mean. So it's hard to explain. If I just play for you, perhaps it's easier to catch it and understand the rhythm here. So like this. Okay, so pretty much what that is you're gonna play part 1 and part 2, these 2 strumming rounds, very closely together. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And since you finished part 2 there, the second round of the same strumming, so to speak, when you go into the next round on D minor, you have a short pause in between the F and D minor. So pause and then right? So that is how you build the strumming pattern there. And you have now the notes, so if you wish, you could try to get and catch some of these notes to build in like this. And play a little bit with it. So that is pretty much all you need for playing NEFFEX Rush. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful, please let me know and support me in whatever way you wish. So thank you for all, guys, and until next time, play tuned.